Little eggs. Iyong mga kamay sana ay maabot ng langit ang iyong mga ngiti. Sana ay masilip, huwag kang mag-alala. Ibibigay sa'yo nang tayo'y pinagtagpo na parang may tumulak na nalalabi.
Bakit ngayon ka lang dito? Bites na na. Otro! May wala ni Parang.
Snake, giveaway.
Yeah. I miss you.
If I could hold you into the sky,
Hoy, nasulat sa piso.
Gusto nila ko rin ng bullpen na. Pwede ng bullpen road. Right? Awal lang sa ako ah. Awal lang yun. Wala sa music or music. Wala music kaya ako kakanta ko. Sige, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. My head, my toes, my knees. Ikaw, mamana ka sa kapani ma. Sa Spanish, di ba?
Favorite song?
favorite song kay maparinig si Doktor. Akong ganahan kanta kay.
Sige, maganda na kasi mag.
Grabe,
Meron siya na song kay sa ang ginagawa. what makes you busy in the classroom. Then I pass by on the other side. I have my RD students na late me abot. It's because we attended deliveries na busy bitaw niya. Last day niya, so sick po ang mga student, then nagkamikuha. Anyway, na-touch yun ko for my ilang pa years in CU. Murag, gani. Kanina class pag kanang naka-surprise sa ako nga so much na murag naka-teary eyes ko, sorry kay murag na-touch ko ba I really feel your presentation and it comes from your heart that you really wanted to show your talent, no?
Talent!
Pag kayo talent,
Keep on trying yun kayo nga you really wanted me to be happy also. Thank you kayo na I know daghan pa kayo mga trials along the way, no? So thank you also for not having to do pag-reading, no? In spite sa mga trials sa inyong life, for listening my advices. Siguro mura na po mother sa inyo hang from to time, keep on reminding on you. So, wala na ito ninyo think negatively, but you think it positively as your second parent. No? So, thank you kaayo. No words can say, but thank you. Because they said, more talks, more mistakes, less talk, less mistakes. So, all I want to say is thank you for everything. Just like your song, thank you for the love, thank you for the joy you gave to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because